Looking for the best Windows tablets of 2025? Whether you're a designer, gamer, student, or just need a powerful device on the go, we've got the perfect picks for you. From ultra-slim designs to AI-powered performance beasts, these tablets aren't just cool, they're game changers. So grab your stylus or popcorn, because this countdown is packed with features, fun, and a few surprises. Let's dive into the top 5 you absolutely don't want to miss. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Dell Latitude 7350 Detachable 2-in-1, a productivity powerhouse that blurs the line between laptop and tablet, and does it with style. This sleek 13-inch device boasts a stunning 3K 2880 by 1920 resolution, delivering crisp visuals that are perfect for content creators, business pros, or just binge watching in beautiful detail. Under the hood, you're looking at the new Intel Core Ultra 5 134U with 12 cores, turbocharged up to 4.4 GHz. Add to that 16 GB of RAM and a speedy 256 GB SSD, and you've got smooth multitasking and quick file access whether you're editing documents or crunching data on the go. It comes bundled with a detachable keyboard, stylus pen, and an incredible 2.5-year direct warranty. Talk about value. Whether you're using it for business travel, remote work, or digital art, the Latitude 7350 delivers a seamless and secure Windows 11 Pro experience. This tablet means business and brings the flexibility to match. At number 4, we've got a beast in business disguise. The Lenovo ThinkPad X12 Detachable G2, a premium Windows tablet engineered for serious productivity. Designed with mobility and enterprise-grade power in mind, this machine runs on the Intel Core Ultra 7 164UV Pro processor, with E-cores reaching up to 3.80 GHz and 12 MB cache for lightning-fast performance. The detachable design transforms seamlessly from tablet to laptop, offering ultimate versatility for professionals on the move. With its durable ThinkPad chassis, 12.3-inch Full HD touchscreen, and robust kickstand, you get a device that's ready to perform anywhere, from airport lounges to boardrooms, whether you're sketching designs or crunching spreadsheets. The stylus support and ultra-responsive display keep things intuitive and sharp. Add in the legendary ThinkPad keyboard experience, and you're looking at one smooth ride. The ThinkPad X12 G2 is the ultimate mobile workstation for professionals who demand flexibility, speed, and reliability. It's not just detachable, it's unstoppable. At number 3, we enter the realm of gaming with the Asus ROG Flow Z13 2025, a Windows tablet that doesn't just play games, it dominates them. This futuristic hybrid combines the power of a high-end gaming laptop with the portability of a tablet, making it an unmatched beast for gamers, creators, and multitaskers on the go. Under the hood, you're getting the latest Intel Core Ultra processor and NVIDIA RTX graphics, all tucked into a sleek, ultra-portable design. The 13.4 165 Hz QHD touchscreen delivers buttery smooth visuals and vivid detail, perfect for both high-octane gaming and creative work. And yes, it supports stylus input for artists who like to sketch between battles. The detachable keyboard and kickstand give you multiple usage modes: tablet, laptop, or battle station, and there's even support for an external GPU via ROG's XG Mobile for serious power upgrades. The Asus ROG Flow Z13 is the only tablet on this list that turns into a full-blown gaming rig when you need it. Sliding into number 2 is the Asus ProArt PZ13, a tablet that's tailor-made for creative professionals who demand precision, power, and portability. If you're a digital artist, designer, video editor, or even a tech-savvy architect, this device is your new best friend. The PZ13 packs a gorgeous 13.3 OLED touchscreen with 2.8K resolution, ensuring stunning color accuracy with a 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. It's Pantone validated, making it ideal for color-sensitive work. Powered by the latest Snapdragon X Elite processor and equipped with Windows 11, this tablet delivers desktop-class performance without the bulk. You also get 32 GB RAM and a 1 TB SSD, which means lightning-fast file handling and smooth multitasking. Plus, the detachable keyboard and built-in kickstand give it laptop-level functionality, while remaining ultralight and easy to carry. If creativity is your profession or passion, the Asus ProArt Z13 offers the ultimate portable canvas. No compromises, just pure performance. Stylish, silent, and studio-ready, this one's a content creator's dream. Topping our list at number 1 is the Microsoft Surface Pro 11, and it's not just a tablet, it's the future of mobile computing. Built from the ground up to be an AI-powered productivity beast, this Copilot PC blends laptop performance with tablet flexibility in one sleek, powerful package. At the heart of the Pro 11 is the 10-core Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus processor, optimized for blazing fast workflows and AI-enhanced multitasking. Pair that with a stunning 13-inch Pixel Sense Flow LCD touchscreen boasting 2880 by 1920 resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate, and you've got visuals that are buttery smooth and razor sharp. With 16 GB of RAM and a massive 2 TB SSD, you're free to run heavy apps, juggle multiple tasks, and store all your creative content without breaking a sweat. Whether you're editing video, designing graphics, or running enterprise-level tasks, the Surface Pro 11 redefines what a Windows tablet can do. Lightweight, versatile, and ridiculously powerful, this is the tablet that sets the gold standard in 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us which Windows tablet is your favorite. See you in the next countdown.